If you are looking to set up a sachet water company in 2024, currently in November, then this video is for you. Then you are going to have to consider the things I'm about to share with you. Hello family, it's your boy Nick Asa. If this is your first time on my channel, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel, watch all the videos to an end, and hit that like button. Liking the videos helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend the video to a larger audience. Stay tuned. If you are looking to own a sachet water in November 2024, currently, then the following are the prerequisites that you will need, and these items are the things that you have to take into account. The number one on the list is a Koyo machine. Of course, you will need a Koyo machine before you can make produce. The second thing on the list is a reverse osmosis system, and the Koyo machine is around 40,000 Ghana cedis currently as I'm speaking to you, and the reverse osmosis system is also around 46,000 Ghana cedis. You can pick a pen and a sheet and then jot these figures down so that you can do your own calculation. Now, the next thing I want to mention is a drilled borehole. You will need a drilled borehole for convenience sake, because I don't think you would want to go to that stress of being in shortage of water when there is high demand on the market. So drilling a borehole is a very good idea where you will always get water. The borehole is also around 17,000 upwards depending on the location. The price is not the same, it varies depending on location, but I'm giving you 17,000 so that at least you will know the amounts that you are looking at. Then the next thing on the list that I want to mention is poly tanks. You would need 2 poly tanks to help you embark on this project. You will need 2 poly tanks, one for your pure water and one for your raw water. And the next thing on the list is an installation fee. But before that, I want to mention the price of the poly tank. I'm using Synthes SCT. I'm using the 1,800 liters. One is 2,705 currently. One is 2,705. So if we are talking about 2, then you are looking at 5,410 Ghana cedis. 5,410 Ghana cedis. And then an installation fee. After you have got all your machines, then you have to install them in your factory, and then installation fee, we are looking at 6,000 Ghana cedis, also depending on your location. Price varies because we all have different location, and these people work with location. Your location determines the price they are going to give you. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about here is a tricycle motor cargo. I'm looking at the big bucket, which is around 30,000 Ghana cedis. If it is less, then you are good to go. You can also think of a mini cargo truck. For that one, I haven't made inquiries of the prices. You can do it yourself, but I'm giving you a bigger bucket of the tricycle cargo, which is around 30 Ghana cedis. The bigger buckets can carry like 100 plus bags of water. Okay, the next thing I want to mention is your block. The block is what carries your logo, your design, your information, let's say your contact, your email address, and what have you, any information that you wanted to appear on the block. It is the block that is used to produce your nylon rubber for production. Yes, so we have your logo, we have your color, everything on that block. All right, so the block we are targeting 600 Ghana cedis, approximately 600 Ghana cedis for the block design. Okay, so you can add up all these things. So if you are looking forward to become a sachet water company or owner, then you are targeting 145,010 Ghana cedis. 145,010 Ghana cedis. If you want to be with one coil machine, one reverse 2 tons reverse osmosis system, then you are targeting 145,010 Ghana cedis. If we sum up all these figures that I've mentioned, that is what you will get. And I think the dollar equivalent will be 8,859 or so. You can check it and convert it. Yeah, and I'll also project the calculations on the screen so that we will know what we are dealing with. All right, so if you have any question, you can leave it down in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share to as many as you can, and subscribe to this channel so that any new uploads will come directly to you without you going to search for them. See you in another video.